Okay, today we're going to practice listening for the first sound in words. So words can be like a snake. They have a beginning, first, middle, where the body is, and an ending where the tail is. So today we're just talking about the first sound in words. So I've got some blocks that we are going to be using, but you could use pieces of Lego, anything really that is sort of the same size that you can move, or just drawing some boxes on a piece of paper. So our first word is dog. So remember, after this I'm going to be asking you what the first sound is. Let's break up the sounds in the word dog. D, O, G. D, O, G. What was the first sound I said? D, O, G. If you said D, you would be right. That was just a practice. Let's do a couple more together. This is a picture of a fan. F, E, N. F, E, N. What was the first sound? F. Well done. Let's do two more. What's this a picture of? It's a picture of a bed. Let's break up all the sounds. B, E, D. B, E, D. What was the first sound that I said? B. One more. This is a picture of a hat. Let's break up all the sounds in the word hat. There are three. H, A, T. What was the first sound I said? It's a very quiet sound. H. You might like to put your hand in front of your mouth and blow out some air and say H. The first sound in hat is